Hello and welcome to this From Suffering to Self-Love meditation. Thank you for being in this space with me today. Let's start to take a moment to settle down and to get into a comfortable position. Whether that's sitting with your legs folded carefully in front of you, or on a chair, or maybe that's lying down. Once you're comfortable, you may now begin to close your eyes. Loosen your shoulders, your neck. Allow your back to straighten up and become centered in your position. Start to relax your breath, breathing in slowly and fully, and exhaling long and freely. Turn your palms up towards the sky, placed on your legs. And open to invite in the divine to give you the power and love in this space. Giving and receiving breath, support and love. Imagining that when you breathe in, you're taking from the earth, and when you breathe out, you're giving back to the earth. So breathing in fully and exhaling long and freely. Let's do this a few more times. Notice this transaction we do unconsciously, how we participate in the world and how we are all as one. This cycle will consistently proceed throughout your life, giving and taking, breathing in and out, courageously and securely, without even knowing or focusing. Your body's intelligence is communicating and working all on its own. Hold a moment of gratitude for this connection, for our life, and for life around us. Now we've raised our thoughts to the importance of the breath. We can work to maintain the peace that comes with this balance. Just breathing in naturally now. Your mind may wander and may feel disturbed. You could feel pulled back to a thought from the past or a worry of the future, and that's okay. What troubling thing happened today means nothing when you focus your attention on the now. So just keeping your attention in this space, in this present moment. And if your thought wanders off, just bring your attention right back. Calmly. Let's just sit with this a few more moments. The pain in your life you may be experiencing is attached to a thought, which then charges an emotion and presents you with a belief. Right now we're trying to change this cycle by mending the negative thoughts and altering them to rewarding and incredible ones instead. So your emotions will align and your beliefs will be constructive and empowered. And I want you to just rest your mind. Let go of thoughts and just go a bit deeper into yourself, into your inner spirit, into your consciousness. Understanding we are all as one. Take a big and deep inhale in, taking the love from the earth to your body. Then when you release your breath, use a sound to exhale all the sad feelings you may be experiencing. So again, a big and deep inhale in, taking the love from the earth into your body, and then release it. Release your breath to the sounds of the feelings that you may be experiencing. Allow yourself to let go. The world will take your sadness and heal it. Your mind and your body can relax deeper and deeper, feeling your muscles sink into your position deeper in your breath, feeling a grounded sense of strength in your back, rooted to your potential, filled up with a lifting sense of self and love. Releasing and healing, going deeper into your mindset allows you to connect to self and your value. The life you want to live is pushing its way from your chest, your mind and your higher self outward to the world. Let's sit here in a moment's silence and repeat the deepness of the breath. Inhaling the uplifting sense of love, worth and balance. And while staying grounded, you begin to exhale the tension and pain that's been placed in your mind and body. Let's continue this cycle a couple more times. I want you to listen carefully and truly believe and become these words of positive truth. We're now aiming for a sense of rich fulfillment by saying to yourself, I am enough, I am brave, I am strong, and I am worthy of love. Allow these affirmations to embed into your mind, to recode your brain to a richer and satisfying way of living and thinking about yourself. You are the best, most amazing person to be around, to love. You understand that you're able to achieve and become whoever you want to be. Let's repeat this again. I am enough. I am brave, I am strong, and I am worthy of love. I am enough, I am brave, I am strong, and I am worthy of love. Now, with a smile, begin to focus your attention back to the breath. One last time, back to the inner body. Feel the deepness of your heart begin to lift and open. Feel how connected you are with your inner self. Notice now how you feel more engaged with healing and finding new ways to rewire your mind, to invite all the best, most powerful and amazing things into your life. From now on, you will change your daily thoughts from the moment you wake up to the moment you fall asleep. You will remember the affirmations and allow yourself to feel them completely. One last time. I am enough. I am brave. I am strong. And I am worthy of love. keep coming back to this meditation when you feel these negative thoughts, or when you feel any form of suffering or pain. And remember, you are worthy of love, and you can get through this, and you will get through this. Now begin to slowly come back to the room you're in, to the physical body. Maybe you want to move your fingers and toes and notice the sensations that you feel now, the difference you feel from before you started this meditation. Open your eyes and take this peace with you throughout your everyday life. Thank you. Namaste.